What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, and tonight we are here for Electric Ocean. Yeah, the remix version. We're going to check out everything they have to offer. Let's go. Yep, no wait to get through temperature screening, security, or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. And here we can see photo backdrop for Electric Ocean right there with some Kraken tentacles. Fireworks viewing area, and we can see the little circles on the ground, and another photo backdrop right here with the jellyfish. Of course, one of my favorite things to do here at Electric Ocean is see sea lions tonight. We have show times at 4, 5:30, and 8 o'clock.
If you bought your tickets online, stand on the third line to the left. If you bought your tickets from some guy in the parking lot, stand on the fourth line, next to the first line, behind the shrubs, but in front of the second line.
These can go through the front gate. And definitely not any of these on the premises. Oh.
If you don't like the weather in Orlando, just wait a few seconds. Mako is now open. You will experience extreme G-forces and extreme If you have any personal items like lunch bags or your dignity, just put them into our handy lockers, available for an additional fee. Must be
miss your chicken tenders.
Of course, as you know, when the sun goes down, that's when things really heat up. And we got Electric Ocean going right now, remixed. We can see some of the characters out right now. Let's go say hi. Hi! Good to see you. Love the mask. That looks awesome, honestly. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Have a good one. And the DJ is in the booth now. The lights are going and people are having a good time.
Living it up in the city. Got trucks on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. So hallelujah. Girl, sing hallelujah. Girl, sing hallelujah.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Electric Ocean Remix. Yeah, just as good as last year. Just doesn't have as many shows, but we saw the entertainers, and they have an awesome fireworks and laser light show called Light Up the Sky. Of course, we're going to have more videos from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.